Hey, welcome back to Danielle's Creative Art. I have another video for you of Pipsticks brand new sticker keeper. I'm so excited. I love, sorry for the glare, all the really cool holographic foil on the cover, stickers, and it's really cute. It says a colorful collection binder for creative sticker, and then it's crossed off hoarders, lovers. It's so cute. So let's get into it. So just like the other sticker keeper, this amazing collection of stickers belongs to, put your name there, and stickers, and whatever you want. And then it has a little Pipsticks Sticker Club card. Oops. And then here's the first page. It's like you can like make little sticker bombs or store your stickers on here, really cool. So it comes in pink, then in orange, and then in yellow. And these are not individually sold, but you can get more refills of the other pages that come in here. Green, blue. Oh, it says stickers make life happier. Wait, I wonder if they all say that. Oh yeah, they do. Cool. Purple, and like opens up so you have more room for stickers. And then we had the 4x4 sticker sheets. You can put, like Mo said, you can put one in each pocket going both front and back, or you can stick multiples. Sometimes I like put multiples in there. First, they're the same sticker. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and then you get one of these, no, sorry, 2 of these, and then 1 of these. Like you can put your puffies or your scratch and sniffs and confetti in here. And then we have the magnetic page. Oh, 2 magnetic pages. And then the last thing is the holographic big pouch. You can put random stuff in here like stickers, vinyl, or whichever you want. And then at the end it says life is happier with stickers. That is so true. So thank you Pipsticks for coming out with this brand new sticker keeper. I love it. And I also like the other design too that they have. I think it says don't touch my stickers. It's really cute. And I think I definitely need to get some more refills. Oh, and once I close this, I'll show you what the refills look like. Oops. So cute. Oh, here's the back. And here's the side. Life is happier with stickers. And it's got some information on the back. And grab something over here. And then here's the refills I was talking about. So I got a pack of the 4x4s. You get 6 double-sided collector sheets designed for 4x4 pip stickers. So I got one of those. And then I got the petite ones. You get 6 double-sided for the 3x7, 2x8, and 1x6 pip stickers. And then I got this one, premium pockets, 6 double-sided sheets for 4x4 and 2x4 pip stickers. So definitely check that out at pipsticks.com, and thank you for watching. Bye.